the loudness calculation, and this goes the mark analyzer. Calculate. Where's the calculate button? Are you crazy? It's the most important button. It's there. Okay, give me 1 minute. Oh, Artemis SUITE 18 is available. Let's download this and install it. Whoa, this is a fresh UI. Looks amazing. Okay, let's see. And this is my project already imported. I can just continue with my work. So I select my measurement and I like to have a spectrum and a loudness calculation, and this goes the mark analyzer. Calculate. Where's the calculate button? Are you crazy? It's the most important button. Okay, then I go back to Artemis SUITE 17. It's there. Your calculate button is up there. Yeah? It's the new quick access by one click and it's calculating the results. Okay, two big advantages. First of all, you can customize this. There was an information here. You can customize the quick access bar. You may just click away. Okay, I know it's happened. That's why I tell you that. Just go here on the main menu, go on settings, and here we have the option to customize our quick access bar. All features, all buttons, all available commands are listed here on the left. You can have a direct access with your mouse, and this is my personal selection. So save as I need. I like to have a separator. Open I don't need. I normally use the main menu to open all the recent result. Player, I don't need the player. I have the player open and then now F12 will start the player. So I don't need that button. And also Shift F12 stops it. So I don't need this one. Undo, do, yes, I like to have separated. And just on the right, the calculate button. So I say, okay, going back. And then I have save as, undo, do, and calculate as I wanted to have. And second big advantage is now it's up on the top line, easier to find, and it gives me more space. The old version, it takes a lot of space just for a few buttons. Now only a few buttons that you need, just easy to find here on the right. There are 11 new analyses available in Artemis SUITE, and they're very helpful for a lot of our customers' application. I like to show it to you, but I cannot make it in a minute. So let's meet on the Head Acoustics user forum. On this event, you get a lot of tips and tricks how to speed up your work with the Artemis SUITE 18. This is interesting for everyone. If you have just started with Artemis SUITE, if you're thinking about starting with Artemis SUITE, or even if you're professional users. For the power users, we have new tools, or the transfer path analysis. Now you can easily determine the block forces of your measurement object and report it according to the ISO standard. And we will show you the latest hardware. One of the devices I fall in love directly. It's really tiny, it's really small, it's handy, it's just below this glove. One USB connection will change the way you analyze your measurement data. It's a must-have for every acoustic engineer. Maybe I give you a short now that will make you crazy. I will show you this also on the Head Acoustic user forum. Then you can test it out and see how amazing this works. Just pick one of these dates and be there. And I'm sure if you order one for yourself, for your daily work tasks, all your colleagues will be jealous. So just for that, it's good to be on the Head Acoustic user forum. Oh, and in the afternoon, we have a point. I've been waiting 3 years for this option. This you will love this. This will be a really emotional point on this day. And of course, there's free meal. Yeah. So be there.